Join me as I try to show you how I make $1,500 to $3,000 a month using this simple online model. I'm super excited to share with you a concept that has completely changed my life, generating online income every month through a simple online model. I know it sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. I've been doing it for months now, and I'm about to reveal the exact method I use to achieve this level of income. You know, making money online can be a real challenge. There are so many scams out there, and it's easy to get caught up in them. You've probably seen those fake gurus promising overnight riches with little to no effort. But let's face it, it's just not that easy. Most people get burnt out, frustrated, and eventually give up. The internet is flooded with get-rich-quick schemes, and it's hard to know who to trust. We've all been there, browsing through YouTube, feeling like we're stuck in a rut, and wondering if making money online is even possible. The truth is, most people quit because they're overwhelmed with choices. They jump from one method to another without really understanding how to make it work. They're like a ship without a sail, drifting aimlessly in the ocean. And when they don't see results, they blame the method, the guru, or even themselves. But what if I told you there's a way to cut through the noise, to ignore the scams, and to focus on a proven strategy that actually works? So, what's the secret? What's the magic formula that's allowed me to earn $3,000 a month consistently? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require some work and dedication. Essentially, I've been using a simple affiliate marketing strategy that leverages the power of social media and content creation. Here's how it works. I create valuable content around a specific niche, build a following on social media, and then promote products and services to my audience. The key is to build trust, to build relationships, and to provide value consistently. The strategy involves 4 main steps: choosing a profitable niche, creating high-quality content, building a social media presence, and promoting products that align with my audience's interests. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long-term strategy that requires effort, patience, and persistence. And the best part is, anyone can do it. You don't need any special skills or experience, you just need to be willing to learn and take action. But let me tell you, it wasn't always easy. There was a time when I was struggling to make ends meet, when I felt like giving up. But then something clicked. I realized that I had been focusing on the wrong things. I was focusing on the money, instead of focusing on providing value. I was trying to make a quick buck, instead of building a sustainable business. And that's when everything changed. I started creating content that resonated with my audience. I started building relationships, and I started promoting products that I believed in. And suddenly the money started flowing in. That pivotal moment changed everything for me. It made me realize that making money online isn't just about the strategy, it's about the mindset. It's about being willing to learn, to adapt, and to take action. And that's what I want to inspire in you today. I want you to know that making $3,000 a month is possible, but it requires dedication, hard work, and the right mindset. So, to sum it up, making $3,000 a month is definitely achievable, but it requires a simple yet powerful online model, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to taking action. Don't get caught up in the scams, the get-rich-quick schemes, or the fake gurus. Focus on building a sustainable business and the money will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this simple online model in the comments below. If you want to learn more tips and strategies on making money online, be sure to check out my next video.